DoubleTree by Hilton, Times Square West in New York. This is the double room. So you've got two double beds. Now, don't look the biggest size of bed, but yeah, they should do the job. You've got the aircon in the room, fairly straightforward control. Nice pictures on the wall. Yeah, bit of nice decoration. In the room, you've got your mini fridge. Empty. No mini bar inside it. Yeah. Tea and coffee making facilities. You do have an ice bucket if you want to get some ice from the bar. Nice big TV on the wall, which is nice. The rooms are fitted with smoke detectors. The hotel is completely non-smoking, and you are warned about that when you check in. Yeah. Should you smoke in the rooms, it's a $50 surcharge. So you've got a small table between the beds, and yeah, you've got USB charging as well as plug sockets for both beds. Got nice bit of storage facility. Yeah, get a fair bit of stuff in there. So we're on the 30th floor, and this is the view you get of New York from the 30th floor. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, really good view of the city. Yeah, from this room. The room number is 3016. So this is the DoubleTree by Hilton, Times Square West at New York. This is your bathroom. Quite compact, small sink, got a normal toilet. Plenty of towels, nice big walk-in shower. All with provided toiletries. Yeah, looks very clean. Shower head is obviously fixed in place. Yeah. Nice straightforward controls.